Jason Laird.
Welcome back, everybody. Thanks for joining us tonight. Significant flooding, the big story all throughout central Montana and the Rocky Mountain front, and it's all due to this guy right here. It's an area of low pressure that moved in off of the North Pacific, and he's literally just been camped out, just hanging out over top of Nevada, Idaho, just not doing much except for spilling moisture into the region. Now, the good news is this area of low pressure is going to start to subside as we enter into this weekend. Currently on the Doppler network, notice the heaviest showers are staying well to our south and will stay down there pretty much all weekend. We are still tracking a couple of showers trying to move over the mountains, but for the most part, the heaviest stuff has moved on. Thank goodness, right? A little break in the action. As for the future track for the remainder of your TGI Friday evening, we're going to see a few showers kind of trot throughout central Montana. Heaviest stuff staying well to our south. We are going to see a little shot of moisture extend from Billings up toward Great Falls, but for the most part, from Great Falls down to Helena here, quite a bit of a clearing compared to what we've had over the past few. Still looking at a few flurries into the mountains, southwestern portions of Montana. Nothing in our area. I know yesterday we had that overall snow line drop a little bit lower in places like Fairfield. Actually got a little dusting out of that. But for the most part, as we take you up into the early morning hours, late afternoon, evening hours, I should say, in Saturday. Very similar to today in the sense we'll still get a couple little straggling showers and thunderstorms out there, but not much in the way of energy to work with in the atmosphere. So it's going to be a much mellower day on Saturday, taking you into Saturday evening. Sunday looking even better by late Saturday evening. Just a few clouds lingering over the area, and we'll start to see some high pressure return to the forecast and really start to dry things up for us. All right, so through Saturday, overall precipitation forecast. I wanted to show you this because it really paints the picture of just how far south that moisture is going to stay. So places like here in Great Falls, pretty much north of Lewistown, just a trace of moisture. Butte, Helena, Bozeman could see a little bit more moisture out of this system through the weekend, but again, nothing like what we've seen. So breaking down the actual forecast models, here in Great Falls, staying well under a quarter inch is what we're expecting up through Sunday morning. Here in Helena, relatively the same story, but a little bit better chance of more rain. So right around a quarter maximum out of the lingering showers that we continue to have throughout the area. Temperatures, that's the other big story. It's downright frigid out there, right? We've had some warm air well to our north, but here in Montana, not so much. It's been cool. Temperatures at this hour, 40s and a few 50s up way up toward Williston out of Montana, and a few 50s over top of the mountains. The temperature change, check it out. 22 degrees cooler right now in Great Falls than what we were 24 hours ago. Here in Helena, 16 degrees cooler. Lewistown, 21 degrees cooler. Your temperatures tonight into the 30s all across the board. A few 40s out there, but really mid 30s appear to be the big story. And tomorrow, a little bit warmer, finally bumping those temperatures back up into the 50s across the board. All right, next 7 days, here's how it plays out. Rain early on Saturday, moving out late into the day. Plenty of sunshine just in time for Mom's Day here in Great Falls. Then sunshine to follow, climbing to just about 80 degrees there. Here in Helena, relatively the same story. Showers early. Could see a stray shower on Sunday, but for the most part looking relatively dry and more sunshine to come. Tom?
Well, thanks, Jason. If you